day everyone! First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jonalyn Bagapuro Sumili and I'm going to make special Ube Leche Flan graham fruit. And now I have my ingredients in my front. First, I have 1 cup of sugar for our caramel. And also for our Ube Leche Flan, I have 8 eggs, but I only use egg yolks. And the second one is 1 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. So here. And the next is 1 cup Ube condensed milk. Here. And the next is 1/2 tablespoon of Ube flavoring. And but not the least, 1/2 cup of sugar. Here. But also for my whipped cream, I'm going to use all-purpose cream. Here. And the last one is condensed milk. But before I will start, ay kailangan natin magugas ng ating mga kamay. Kailangan natin ng hand towel para matuyo ang ating kamay. So ayan, for our first step, gagawa tayo ng caramel for our leche flan molding by using one ingredient. And this is 1/2 cup of sugar. And tsaka, mabuboil tayo ng water by using our steamer. Sa ating caramel, iset na natin ang ating apoy sa over medium heat. Kapag mainit ang ating saucepan, ay pwede na natin ilagay ang ating sugar. Here. Hintayin natin siyang mag-melt. As you can see, malapit na siyang magme-melt. Hayaan na natin magme-melt ang ating sugar. Nagme-melt na ating sugar. Ready na natin itong ilagay sa ating leche flan molding. So, ayan. For our steamer naman, set natin sa medium heat ang apoy. So, sa ating Ube Leche Flan, imimix na natin ang ating eggs with 1 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. Ube condensed milk. The next is 1/2 tablespoon of Ube flavoring. And the last one ingredient ay ang 1/2 cup of sugar. Tsaka natin imimix. Gagamit ako ng hand mixer. Pwede kayong gagamit ng wire whisk kapag meron kayo.
A few minutes later.
At saka natin ilagay sa ating leche flan molding. At saka natin ika-cover ang foil. So this time, ilalagay natin ito sa ating steamer. Hintayin natin sa 30 to 40 minutes ang ating Ube Leche Flan.
A few minutes later.
Ito na ang ating Ube Leche Flan. For the last part for making leche flan, ay ito na, gagawa na ako ng whipped cream para sa ating graham float. So, I have the ingredients here. First, I have all-purpose cream at saka condensed milk. Ayan. At meron din tayong crackers here. I prefer to use graham. Ang una natin gagawin sa paggawa ng whipped cream ay kailangan natin ng all-purpose cream. Ayan, ilagay natin dito sa ating mixing bowl. At saka gagamit tayo ng hand mixer para maging malapot ang ating whipped cream. Tapos na tayong gumawa ng whipped cream sa ating graham float. So, ito na ating whipped cream. Ayan. At saka, meron na lagyan sa ating graham float. So, start. Ito na ang ating special Ube Leche Flan graham float. Ayan. Pagkatapos nito, i-chill natin ito sa freezer ng 5 hours.